consigliere iha Oxford idane dia kata idane sidare idane be maka Carolio iha fati no toto atu hela iha sidare idane Partido Labour sira proposta ona kata emane be mak iha Oxford lilio dia kliu atu hetan sirani osa atu minimum nene bele ora sira tenki hetan libras 10 pound.
Unfortunately, the council doesn't have the power to make a law saying that every employer in Oxford has to pay £10 and tuppence an hour.
Infelizmente, sira nebema council iha Oxford sira la bele atu halo leida nebema dia serviços hotu iha Oxford tenki hetan o minimum salário 10 pound idane.
So, by law, people have to pay the national minimum wage, the legal salary, but not the Oxford living wage.
Neduni legalmente emane be maka iha Oxford sira iha direito atu hetan minimum wage, salário mínimo legal nia irane mak iha maibe sira la bele atu selu salário mínimo nebe se ita hela iha Rai Oxford.
But the council tries to influence employers. For example, Oxford Bus is now paying the living wage in Oxford, £10 and tuppence an hour.
Maybe council yane sira bela tu influenza ba ema sira nebe patrão sira ya Oxford hanesan Oxford Bus sira começa ona atu selu sira nia pessoal sira com minimum 10 pound ora sira.